2 small pitchers and 1 large pitcher can hold 6 cups of water. The difference between the capacity of the large pitcher and the small pitcher is 3 cups. How many cups of water can each pitcher hold? The first step in an application problem is defining the unknowns. The first unknown is how much does the small pitcher hold? So we'll say X is the capacity of the small pitcher. How many cups of water does the small pitcher hold? That's our X. The Y will be the capacity of the large pitcher. How many cups of water does that large pitcher hold? Now, to come up with our equations, we need to look at the relationship between these two unknowns. The first equation is we have 2 small pitchers and 1 large pitcher, and together they hold 6 cups of water. So we'll have 2x plus y equals 6. The other relationship is the difference between the large pitcher capacity and the small pitcher capacity is 3 cups. So the second equation will be y minus x equals 3. So graphing these two equations, they're both in standard form, so we'll use the x and y intercepts. For the first equation, to find the x-intercept, y is 0. Substituting 0 for the y, we end up with 2x equals 6, x equals 3. And then the y-intercept, x is 0, so substituting 0 for the x, we end up with y equals 6. For the second equation, the x-intercept, y is 0, so substitute 0 for y, and we end up with negative x equals 3, x equals a negative 3. And then for the y-intercept, x is 0, substituting 0 for x, we end up with y equals 3. So now we have some ordered pairs that we can use to graph these two lines. So the first line we'll graph in blue. We have the ordered pair 3, 0, and then 0, 6. Graphing that line as carefully as you can, because if you don't graph carefully, it might be hard to read your answer. The second line we'll graph in red, negative 3, 0, 0, 3. The point of intersection is right here, and that is 1, 4. The 1 represents our variable x, the 4 represents the variable y. So this ordered pair is telling us that the small pitcher holds 1 cup of water, and the large pitcher holds 4 cups of water.